Hello, everyone. My name is Joseph, and I'm here today to walk you through the new eSmart Class AI Fluency Practice that is available for English Wave, Hand in Hand Second Edition, and eFuture Discovery. So today we're going to be looking at the English Wave version of the AI Fluency Practice because it has both styles of AI fluency practice within its practice sections. When we are using AI fluency practice with Hand in Hand Second Edition, there is only one form of practice, which is the dialogue practice. Whereas with eFuture Discovery, the only section available is the reading practice. So we're going to look at English Wave today because it shows both. So we'll start first with the speaking section, which for English Wave, there are three dialogues to practice: speaking one, speaking two, speaking three for each unit. And you'll see here that for each speaking activity, there is an audio and a role play. Now, you'll notice that the role play is grayed out. You cannot click on it, and that is because you must listen to the audio of the dialogue to practice before you can actually complete the role play itself. So what we'll do is we'll go step by step through the speaking portions of the AI fluency practice together. So starting out with the audio section, if we click on that, now you see on the screen here the characters. There's a boy and a girl for this dialogue and their respective lines. So what you can do with this, students can read the dialogue by themselves. They can listen to the dialogue or they can listen to the dialogue and read at the same time. It's really up to them. But you must listen to the dialogue before you can move on. So let's listen to this dialogue now.
What are you doing?
I'm signing up for the drama club.
Oh, that sounds like fun. How often do they meet?
They meet Monday through Friday from 3 to 4:30. Are you in any clubs?
I'm in the school band. We meet on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Okay, so once you have finished listening to the dialogue, the next button will show up, and this will allow you to go to the speaking practice section where you'll get your assessment. So let's click on next, and it'll take you to a screen where you get to choose your character. So you can either you can be the girl or the boy. It is up to you. So you choose one. We'll choose the girl here. And it'll take you to a new screen with the dialogue on it. But you'll notice that since I selected the girl, her lines are blanked out. And that is because we're going to record what she's going to say. Now, we're going to practice saying the lines from the dialogue, which is why it's important to practice listening and speaking with the dialogues before you come to this page, because we'll be assessing our speaking fluency and accuracy. However, if students are struggling with remembering the lines as they are, they can click on the hint button, and the hint will hide or show a kind of grayed out version of the sentence that they should say. So this is there to help guide them. But once the students are ready, they will click start, and they will record their line. It's very, very important that students have a microphone and headset connected so that the recording is clear and accurate. It'll give them the best reading for the AI to assess. And if there are mistakes that happen, you can re-record your lines as necessary as well. So let's practice doing this now. What are you doing?
I'm signing up for the drama club.
Oh, that sounds like fun. How often do they meet?
They meet Monday through Friday from 3 to 4:30. Are you in any clubs?
I'm in the school band. Okay, so once you are finished, you can quickly review your audio. So you can listen to it by pressing the play button here. What are you doing?
I'm signing up for the drama club.
Oh, that sounds like fun. So you can listen to it and you can check that it's clear, that it actually recorded everything. And if you're satisfied with it, you can hit submit, and this will generate a report based off of what has been recorded. If you are not happy with the recording, you can hit retry and re-record your lines. Now, I'm satisfied with everything sounding okay, so I will hit submit. So it has analyzed my sentences, and you'll see that my sentences are color coded. So green means the sentences were perfect. If there's anything that's yellow, that means it was good, but there was maybe a small error or something that wasn't as clear as it could be. And then red means it was either incorrect or missing. So if you recall, I only said the first sentence of this sentence, which is why the "we meet on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays" is red, because I didn't actually say that. And so this color coding will help us understand this report here. So you can see at the top here, it gives me my overall score. So I had an 80% accuracy rate. This also compares your score with the average for this dialogue. And then we have some basic notes. So an accuracy, fluency, and intonation note. So my accuracy had very few errors. I was clear and fluent, and my intonation had good expression. So if I am happy with this, I can exit out. But if you'll notice up here at the top right corner, we have a 1, 2, 3. And here, once we have generated our report, we can try again. So you have a maximum of 3 tries per dialogue. So if you're not happy with your score, or maybe you use too many hints and you want to try and do it without any hints, you can go ahead and click retry, and you can re-record all of this, and it will generate a new report. And you are allowed to do that 3 times. But what we're going to do now is we're going to exit. Now that we are back at the main screen, you'll see that our speaking practice, we have cleared the listening section, which we can replay and practice again more if we want to. And then we also have been provided with our general score. So we can check our reports, we can check the results. And if we want to retry it and get a better score, we have, as you can see here, it says 1 out of 3. That means we have 2 more chances to retry speaking number 1. Now, this report and these results will be available for the teachers as well, because right now I am in the student view, but teachers will be able to see these results as well. But we will look at the teacher side of things in a different video. So that is all for the speaking section of the AI Fluency practice. Stay tuned in the next video for to look at the reading practice.